J.W. Nixon High School is receiving a check for $2,393.64 from the Sergio M. Garcia Memorial Endowment, specifically for the welding program at Nixon High School.
We were very fortunate to be invited to attend the Laredo Area Community Foundation for disbursement of funds to our agriculture/welding program. We're blessed to have received $2,400 in funding for the students to be used for scholarships, to be used for possible purchase of equipment, and basically for consumable products that these kids need to practice their welding skills. When it comes to expenses in the welding program, expenses can get very high, so every dollar that is donated to our club and to our organization and for the kids of the Laredo ISD Nixon High School Ag Welding Program, then we are blessed to have those funds donated by this wonderful organization.
We're really excited, and we're anxious to nominate maybe 3 or 4 more students this year with this money, and hopefully they pursue their education at whatever it is, higher learning institution, a vocational school. It doesn't matter as long as they continue with their education.